Hello students, here we will see the next topic of second chapter, reproduction in lower and higher animals. In last lecture we have seen process of fertilization and mechanism of fertilization. In fertilization we have seen that this is the egg. Egg is surrounded by three layers. This outermost cellular layer called as corona radiata. This blue color transparent non-cellular layer called as zona pellucida. And the cell membrane of egg called as vitelline membrane. And these are the number of sperms which reach up to the ampulla or reach up to the ovum. They are all attached to ovum, but only one can enter into the ovum. Acrosomal layer of sperm become thin, they get capacitation and releases three types of enzymes. Hyaluronidase, which digests the hyaluronic acid. Corona penetrating enzyme, which digests these cells. Then third is the acrosine or zonalysine, which cut this zona pellucida. And finally, this sperm touch the vitelline membrane. After touching, when this sperm touch the vitelline membrane, this ovum, which phase is arrested, meiosis second is arrested at metaphase second, is completed here. It get meiosis second division and mature ovum and second polar body is formed. Second meiotic division is completed. When the sperm touch the vitelline membrane of ovum, the ovum get meiosis second division, it resume the metaphase, and anaphase telophase means meiotic second division is completed, polar body, second polar body is formed, means metaphase second is completed here. Then only sperm, nucleus and centriole enter into the ovum. When the sperm touch to the ovum get respond. Ovum form this conical structure called as reception cone or fertilization cone. Weak wave of depolarization are formed, and at the touch point, plasma membrane of both ovum and sperm get dissolved, and this nucleus and centriole get enter into the ovum. Then this nucleus approaches towards the nucleus of ovum. Both nuclei get swell and form pronucleus. Both nuclei of sperm and ovum swell and forming pronuclea. Then the nuclear membrane of this nucleus get dissolved. Both nucleus chromosome get intermixed and form diploid zygote. 2n number means 23 from male and 23 from female parent, which are mixed here. It get 46 chromosome means diploid zygote is formed. Means fertilization is completed. Then what are the significance of fertilization? First, this is not the ovum, it is secondary oocyte because metaphase second is arrested. When this fertilization occur, this secondary oocyte get this meiosis second division and form mature ovum. This secondary oocyte complete oogenesis and form mature ovum. Second significance, diploid chromosome number is restored. 23 from male parent, 23 from female parent, both are mixed here. 23 plus 23, 46 means diploid number is restored. Then ovum lacks centriole. This ovum do not have centriole. This centriole is received by sperm. This centriole is received by sperm during fertilization. Means ovum lacks centriole which receive centriole from sperm during fertilization. Then this male parent, which have another history, genetic history, female parent have another genetic history, both chromosome get intermixed and forming new offspring. Means offspring get recombination, variation. Means variation is the significant of evolution. जर व्हेरिएशन नाही झालं तर इव्हॉल्युशनच होणार नाही. दोघांचे क्रोमोझोम मिक्स झाले, दोघांना वेगवेगळी जेनेटिक हिस्ट्री आहे, दोन वेगवेगळ्या हिस्ट्रीमधून आलेले मेल पॅरेंटची वेगळी जेनेटिक हिस्ट्री आहे, फिमेल पॅरेंटची वेगळी जेनेटिक हिस्ट्री, दोघांचे क्रोमोझोम्स मिक्स झाले, मग इथे व्हेरिएशन बदल झाला, मूल जे आहे ते वेगळं तयार होणार दोघांचे मिक्सिंग झाल्यामुळे जीन्सचा व्हेरिएशन. Change means variation and it is significant for evolution. पुढे उत्क्रांती व्हायची असेल तर काय व्हायला पाहिजे अगोदर? Variation. Then sex of the offspring is determined. Next significance is the sex of the offspring is determined. Male means having XY sex chromosome, female having XX chromosome. Meiosis division takes place. Meiosis division or spermatogenesis takes place, forming X and Y type of two type of sperm, female forming one type of egg. When this X type of sperm fuses with X type of egg, then forming XX means female. When Y type of sperm fuses with any egg which having X means XY means male, means forming male child. Means there is a sex determination. Which type of sperm get fused to ovum determine the sex of the child. So here sex of offspring is determined. These are the significance of fertilization. After fertilization, diploid zygote is formed. In zygote, a rapid mitotic division takes place called as cleavage. Cleavage is mitotic division. Here the growth phase is arrested. The size of cells are not increased. Division is complete. Or because whole zygote is involved in the division. So cell division is holoblastic. Cleavage is holoblastic because whole zygote is involved in the division. But the growth phase is arrested, cell is not increased in size, means cytoplasm is not increased. Cleavage ही holoblastic division आहे, whole zygote याच्यामध्ये division मध्ये participate करतो. ही जी division आहे ही fast mitotic rapid division आहे. याच्यामध्ये जो ॲक्सिस असतो डिव्हिजनचा तो हॉरिझॉन्टल लॉन्जिट्युडनल असू शकतो आणि ही ज्या सेल्स आहेत यांची ग्रोथ होत नाही, सेल डिव्हाइड होतात परंतु यांच्या ग्रोथ फेज अरेस्ट झालेली असते, ग्रोथ फेजला वेळ दिला जात नाही, रॅपिड फास्ट डिव्हिजन होते. एकाच्या 2 सेल्स तयार झाल्या परंतु सेल्स तेवढीच साईज राहिली, एकाच्या 4 सेल झाल्या पण साईज तेवढीच राहिली, झोनो पेलुसिडा अजून तिथेच आहे, म्हणजे सायटोप्लाझम डबल होत नाही. ग्रोथ फेज जी ग्रोथ फेज असते ज्याच्यामध्ये सायटोप्लाझम इन्क्रीज होतं ते इथे स्टॉप केलेलं आहे. दिस फर्स्ट क्लिवेज ऑकर आफ्टर 30 hours ऑफ फर्टिलायझेशन. दिस फर्स्ट mitotic division axis is longitudinal. The 2 cells are formed. One is slightly larger than the other is smaller. Longitudinal division, 2 cells are formed. These are cells which are formed from division called as blastomeres. Cytoplasm divide into 2 cells. Cytoplasm not doubled because zona pellucida is remain here. Means size is reduced. Second meiotic, third meiotic size is then get reduced and metabolic actions are increased. Rapid mitotic division because of size is reduced, more O2 consumption, fast replication of DNA takes place and division of cells takes place. First mitotic division takes place after 30 hours of fertilization. It is longitudinal division. Axis is longitudinal. 2 cells are formed. 1 cell is larger than the other. And then after 30 hours of first mitotic division, the second mitotic division is completed. 4 cells are formed. This axis also longitudinal, but it is right angle to first, and 4 cells are formed after 30 hours of first cleavage or first mitotic division. This 4 cell stage is formed. Then means cells get reduced in size. Cytoplasm is not increased. Growth phase is stopped. Then 8 cell stage, next mitotic division occur, and 8 cell structure is formed. This 8 cell structure having zona pellucida and cell size become reduced. These are the number of blastomeres are formed. 8 cells are formed. Then on the end of 4th day, this 16 cell stage or 32 cell stage structure are formed called as morula. Why it is called morula? Because this is mulberry-like structure. Cell is attached to each other, small cells, and form a mulberry-like structure called as morula. These all cells are 16 or 32 in numbers. The outer cells are thinner and clear and smaller, and inner cells are larger. This inner cell mass cell are larger, and these outer cells are smaller and clear. Here this morula is formed at the end of 4th day or after fertilization. Here in female reproductive tract, sperm is ejected here, deposited here, sperm travels up to the ampulla. Here egg is wait for sperm, viability is 24 hours. Then sperms attach here, fertilization takes place. Then first division, second, third, and this morula is reach up to the isthmus. Then it get pushed into the uterus, and this morula is remain suspended in this cavity of uterus for 2 to 4 days, and its size become enlarged. This outer cell, thinner cells get reabsorb the nutritive material, means uterine milk is reabsorbed, which is highly nutritive, which is absorbed by this outer cells, and these now called as trophoblast cells. These outer clear cells are called as trophoblast, which absorbs the nutritive material. Here zona pellucida get detached. What is the function of this zona pellucida? It prevent the abnormal implantation of this embryo. म्हणजे कोणत्याही ठिकाणी हे abnormally attach होणार नाही. प्रॉपर साईटला जाईपर्यंत हा झोना पेलुसिडा तिथेच असतो. याच्या ज्या फॅगोसायटिक सेल्स आहेत त्या इथे कुठेही त्या एक्सपोज केल्या जात नाही. बाहेरून झोनो पेलुसिडा त्याला कव्हर करतो. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ झोना पेलुसिडा. मग एका प्रॉपर साईडला गेल्यानंतर हा जो बाहेरचं लेअर आहे हा क्लिअर सेल्स त्या न्यूट्रिटिव्ह मटेरियल ॲब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि साईज इन्क्रीज होते. फ्लुइड आतमध्ये आला, आता प्रेशर तयार होतं आणि आतल्या ज्या लार्जर सेल आहे एका साईडला जाऊन बसतात. दी सेल्स रिमेन अटॅच्ड ॲट वन साइड अँड दिस फ्लुइड फिल्ड कॅव्हिटी इज फॉर्म्ड कॉल्ड ॲज ब्लास्टोसील अँड दिस फ्लुइड फिल्ड ब्लास्टोसिस्ट स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड ॲज ब्लास्टुला or blastocyst. It get absorb this nutritive material, it become large. It is larger 2 to 3 times. This is only 0.1 millimeter in diameter. This is 0.15 to 0.3 millimeter in diameter, means triple. This fluid filled cavity called as blastocyst. These cells which are attached to one side called as inner cell mass or embryonic knob, and this outer layer called as trophoblast. And here the cells which are attached inner cell mass called as robber cells, and which are phagocytic, which releases enzyme which digest this endometrium and get attached here. Here these cells are called as robber cells, and this inner cell mass called as embryonic knob, and this blastula, this blastocyst get a polarity. On inner cell mass structure is present on which side called as embryonic pole, and opposite called as abembryonic pole. The structure is called as blastula or blastocyst. It is formed after 7th day of fertilization. It is formed after 7th day of fertilization. Here means this morula is swim in the uterine milk for 2 to 4 days and get increase its size, and then this morula convert into the blastula.